woke up to the sound of thunder. The sky roared above the house. Could today be a dangerous adventure? Bingo rushed inside. She shouted, "Bluey, the storm is coming." Bluey's eyes widened. What should we do? Dad closed the windows quickly. Mom gathered blankets. Everyone moved with urgency. Bluey's heart raced with fear. Could their home stay safe? The wind howled louder. Trees bent in the backyard. Rain pounded against the glass. Bluey hugged Bingo tightly, her tail trembling with worry. Suddenly, the lights flickered out. Darkness filled the room. Bluey gasped. Could the storm take all their power? Bingo whispered nervously, "What now?" Dad lit a lantern. Mom spoke calmly, "We will be fine." Bluey tried to breathe deeply. Could courage be stronger than fear? They gathered in the living room. The lantern glowed softly. Shadows danced on the walls. Bluey listened to the rumbling sky. Could the storm last forever? Bingo clutched her paw. Bluey whispered, "We are together. That's what matters." Bingo smiled faintly. Her fear eased slightly. The storm grew fiercer. Windows rattled loudly. Bluey closed her eyes. She imagined herself as brave as a hero. Could bravery protect her family? Then, a bright flash lit the sky. The house shook slightly. Bluey gasped again. Bingo squeaked with fright. Dad reassured them, "Stay calm." Minutes felt like hours. But slowly, the thunder rolled farther away. The rain softened. The wind calmed. Could the storm finally be ending? Bluey peeked outside. The sky cleared gently. A rainbow stretched across the horizon. She gasped in awe. Bingo laughed with relief. Dad and Mom hugged them both. "We made it through together." Bluey's tail wagged proudly. She whispered courage was real. "And you?" "Yes, you." If you felt the storm with Bluey, don't forget to subscribe and like.